Alright, so in this video we're going to go ahead and install nested pages. But before we do that, we're going to go and do a quick backup. And this time, we're going to click Only Allow this backup to be deleted manually. So we can see what it does. What it does is it locks the file and it doesn't let any automatic processes eliminate the backup. And we want that in because we've completed all of our settings and all of our configurations, and we know that we're at a good place. Now we're actually going to go put plugin to help us with some functionality with the way that we create our pages. It makes it more efficient and helps us lay out our site a little bit more easily. So let's go to plugins in the add new, of course. And in the search, we're going to search for nested. And we can see here we have a plugin called Nested Pages. And what this does is it allows us to modify and maintain the pages in our site with a lot more ease than the defaults. So we'll activate it. And now we can see that we're installed and we have it there. And so to see what it does for us, we'll go to Pages, All Pages. And we'll take a look and we can see that now we can drag our pages around. We can make them a hierarchy. We have a lot of new functionality that lets us add multiple pages at one time. Definitely makes things a lot easier for us. Alright, see you in the next video.